My mum wanted me to add this bit in.
I don't want to pay double price.
The tills are packed. Yes. No, I am sorry, Salama. Okay, it's Cruella Development 3S signing off. Bye. Hey guys, Cruella Development 3S here. Today I'm in IKEA. Yeah, I'm actually in IKEA. It's a farewell festival because IKEA in Tottenham Edmonton is the only branch that's actually shutting down because it shuts down on the 31st.
I'll do that.
So you can't. That's a shame that it's actually shutting down. Oh god, that is a very bad shame. I couldn't believe that it was going to shut down. IKEA actually made good storage boxes. I actually like their dine. I actually like IKEA's dine they do. Everyone's packing the stuff away. Mum, isn't that plant fake? Come on.
But yeah, so basically, all the sheds have got. Sorry, excuse me.
I'm gutted that IKEA is actually shutting down. Alright, that's my brother. I'm gutted that they're actually shutting down because I actually like the dine they do. And I was going to get a pic. Well, I couldn't get a pic. It's so sad to get a picture frame from IKEA. A picture frame from IKEA.
Because you always get lost. But also, there is some good stuff, but you also get lost.
God, remember when something called Woolworths shut down? Harry was only 8 when it shut down. Yeah, because it was in 2008.
I remember the toy shop shutting down. I remember the pet. I remember the Clark shop shutting down. Sad, isn't it?
Yeah. Should we get a picture frame?
The internet has made everything wrong.
Where's all the bargains then?
They're lies.
No, it's deception.
Mum, if you go over there when I have that green, when they have those, when we went last time, when we have those cheap things, there's cheap things over there.
Oh yeah.
And where are the picture frames? No, gutted like when Wall shut down. My brother was only 8 when it shut down. Because in 2008 he was 8. If he was born in 2000 or 2001. I don't want to do it.
See, it's doing IKEA closes down. Okay, that makes sense.
IKEA closing down vlog. Stay tuned to go on YouTube. IKEA's not. Yeah. You want to get down to IKEA? Get down to IKEA before the 31st. To Tottenham Edmonton, IKEA. I'm not joking, you literally get down now. To Tottenham Edmonton, IKEA.
I thought it was for like soap or something. It's the water.
Get down to literal Tottenham Edmonton. Tottenham Edmonton, I'm not joking, get down.
I thought we were going to do this quick.
Huh?
I thought you wanted to do this quick.
Oh, I don't mind.
Come on then. I know exactly where I want it. Come on, we're going to get some pictures.
Aren't they fake?
Yeah, was looking for one of these in red.
Right, can we get this? It's a fake rose.
It's like a high clamp, isn't it? No, it's too much.
Well, that one.
That one's got the right shape for it. These are sort of like a dangling thing.
Look, one smaller one. But look, reduced
It's a
price.
fake one.
Reduced price to £2.
Don't buy a fake one.
Let's go in the shed.
Well, this one's reduced to £2.
Nice thingy.
This video will be worth it in a few years. Because we can look back at IKEA. This reminds me of the 2008. The 2008 closed down of Woolworths. Look, if you press this button, you can change the camera angle.
Are you supposed to do that? He's just trying to fence.
Supposed to put it on a fence.
That's so tacky.
Well, that's reduced to £1. Where can we get a picture frame? And can you find the right size you need for a snap thing or something for enough? But,
Oh, stop pulling at me. For goodness sake, let me look
You
at
wanted a
the
picture
shot.
I'm here to keep you on track.
This is meant to be.
it's actually been reduced to £2.
Why do you want a
When
fake
you go
one?
buy flowers from the florist, you say, here's my vase, make it £50.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Nice, isn't it?
Look. What size do we need of a picture frame so I can get enough so I can print off some things and put them in the picture frame?
Oh, I hate fake ones.
Because I want loads of different pictures in one frame. Mum,
Alright.
look right there. Time for this to be shut down forever. That'll be very sad when it gets shut down.
Alright, so.
Only £7. Jesus, that is very sad for it to shut down.